You talked about movie theaters closing down, and 300 screens are run by the LA-based Pacific theaters, like that famous Cinerama Dome. But we're seeing a string of closures now. Why at the end of the pandemic?
Well, it's just how long can any business hold on? And this has been going on for a year and a half. And, without, businesses just have so much runway in order to survive something like this. I do think that there'll be some interesting new buyers in those businesses, and it will be an interesting time uh, for theaters and for the movie going experience itself.
Just to stick with theaters for one more second, do you think that there will be, some estimates say 25% less theaters when all is said and done coming out of this?
Look, we've been going, I don't know the exact percentage, but if I go based on what's going on over a 20-year period with the film festival, we've lost venues like the Ziegfeld. The Paris Theater was bought by Netflix. I look at the number of seats we had below 14th Street. Those numbers have changed. Instead, you have smaller theaters with bigger seats and food. So where is that big theatrical experience that, so I think those smaller theaters will and have closed. It will be interesting to see how it reinvents itself. I was, and it's got to reinvent itself again, because it's very special to be in a dark room with a lot of people and laughing, crying, or screaming, as you seem to like.
Yeah. Well, listen, I got to tell you, I've been to two theaters in our neighborhood, Jane. I went to go see Nobody, AMC 84th, and then I saw The Courier down at Lincoln Square, and there weren't enough people in the theaters, but I guess they'll be coming back soon.